gusto kong maging, gusto kong magkaroon ng direction.
Sinundan pa talaga, ginawa pa ng part 2. Gusto maghanap ng trabaho ng tao, sinama sa Taiwan. Ano, magagala lang. Naghahanap buhay yung tao eh. Sinama sa gala, kinontent lang. Wala talagang ginawang maganda to si Kong TV.
Ano yan? Sinasabi mo? Ha? Ano sinasabi mo?
Hindi, yung vlog mo yung ito, umiiyak ko.
Teka, puka nga rito.
Hindi, natatouch siya.
Ano yan, sinasabi mo? May sinasabi ka eh.
Natatouch siya, ikat mo. Natatouch siya eh.
Ano?
Hindi, maganda to. Maganda.
Umaran nyo. Umaran nyo.
Ninakaw.
Kaya mo na, sense mo na yan. Hindi na kita.
Kaya pala lumapit to mga to. Nabulungan.
Set up siya.
Hindi mo ba napansin? Minove to. Binitawan yung gitara. Lahat ng gamit sa bansa tinanggal.
Ano ko, akala ko parang interesado sila sa vlog ko.
May time na ako ngayon, napapanood ko na yung bagong vlog ni Kong. Ang title ay Lipad. Oh, MG. Nasa airport! Nasa bakasyon, gusto pa rin niya maghanap ng trabaho. May dalang resume. It's nice. It's a feel-good episode. Ganda. Sana marami pang series with Aaron. Very inspirational. It's so nice. I don't know, very yung character ni Aaron. Alam mo yung tunay na hindi scripted. Kaya siguro ang sarap niyang panoodin. Yung vibe nitong new vlog, parang siyang nakaka-uplift ng mood. Diba? No? Parang feel good yung feeling mula umpisa hanggang matapos yung vlog.
And sabi ni Aaron dun, nung nakasakay na siya ng airplane, sabi niya, sobrang laki ng mundo, ang sarap mabuhay. Alam niyo, if you're going through something really bad that makes you wanna go somewhere, you know. Kasi napapanahon siya with mental health and all, you know, Emma Natenza. Guys, please do watch Kong TV's vlog. Parang maiiba yung perspective niyo in life. Like, nung napanood ko yun, parang there's a lot to be thankful for pala, no? If i-change mo lang, i-shift mo lang ng onti yung perspective mo in life, kung meron kang attitude of gratitude, you'll be thankful na may pagkain ka sa araw-araw, may damit kang bago, may bahay ka, may trabaho ka. Maybe somehow, things will get lighter. Kasi nung napanood ko talaga yung vlog ni Kong, parang, shocks. Parang ano tong problema ko? Wala kay Aaron, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na pagka pinanood nyo, mawawala ng anxiety nyo, depression nyo. No, kasi I've been there. Parang wala ka talaga makakatanggal ng ganun. Parang pagka tinamaan ka talaga. As in, wala nang gamot dun. What I'm trying to say is, baka at least maging lighter yung feeling. Alam nyo yun? Basta, panoorin yung vlog ni Kong, sobrang ganda. Maiiba yung tingin nyo sa life na akala nyo sobrang hirap na.
Bossing sila na ako. Okay lang yan. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng chance sa sarili mo, hindi ako. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yan. Pero siguro yun lang yung gusto ko makita mo rin dito sa trip natin na to na pag nag-desisyon ka na tama yung gawin mo, marami kang ibang pwede kang
Transition to regenerative agriculture.
May magbibigay ng liwanag sa'yo na ay Ron, kaya mo magbago. Tama ko, binasikat ng bakit si Kong.
POV, first time ni Mami panoorin ang vlogs ni Kong TV.
Kaya rin naman dun sa kanila.
Are you going home na?
Yes.
Habang ako'y papunta sa aking trabaho.
Nalood ka!
Okay lang yan. nagbigay ng chance sa sarili mo, hindi ako. Kasi pag natapos lahat ng to, at the end of the day, ikaw tayo. Kahit dito sa Taiwan. Pero wag muna kayo na, pati mamakulong tayo. Dati gusto ko lang mabuhay, kahit di na ako maging masaya. Ngayon, na-realize ko,
Bilang tayo bilang. Dati! Tayo na, akalain mo, kasama ko, binasi ka tabalan, si Kong.
ay, di nata ngayon.
Eh, kung KB pa rin. Kaya mo.
Suot mo naman. Hindi sa bibig, sa mukha, sa mata. Saan bansa mo gusto pumunta ngayon?
Canada.
O, mag-ipong ka. Ito siguro yung pinaka...
Sasakyan mo to? Hindi na sing.
Sa'yo yan, surprise namin sa'yo.
Yun yung motor mo. Yung motor na pinita mo.
Ito yan eh.
Parang yun natin yung editor na.
Vlog called Lipad, and boy, it's powerful. Kong, brother, if you're watching this, just want to tell you, you never fail to amaze and inspire your audience. Great message here, and continue to inspire, Kong. You're doing great. It's a continuation of his previous vlog, Estacion, where he met a stranger named Aaron, a guy who was struggling but got a second chance because Kong helped him find a job. In Lipad, Kong surprised Aaron with a trip to Taiwan. What's amazing is seeing how that experience completely changed Aaron's view of life. He even said in the video, before he was okay living even if he wasn't happy, but now he realized it's actually joyful to be alive. That line really stuck with me because so many of us are doing the same thing, just trying to survive instead of learning how to live. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, so if you haven't watched Lipad yet by Kong TV, I highly recommend that you watch it now. Now think about this. Are you living your life to survive or to feel alive? When was the last time you slowed down enough to feel grateful, to dream again, or to see how big the world really is? Try this. Do one thing this week that reminds you how it means to be alive. Maybe take a walk or call someone you miss, help a friend, or just pause to breathe and appreciate where you are. If you can, be like Kong. Lift someone up. Because sometimes the best way to heal your own heart is to help someone find hope again. Keep growing while helping others to grow. Keep exploring to realize how amazing life is. And don't let life become just a routine. You're meant to live with purpose and joy.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!